Hatu ubriu uyok nong lada ujob ya keperthei Baroh kawe Henry udo no yala ka jingim om kumta kamdon kanu kaba ula ban ai ban yo pat yala ka jingim WhatsApp tieng ya kitu kiba penyap ya kamen Henry kibamla ban penyap ya kamen siem Henry tu syap tieng ya U Blei ubala ban penjat ya kamen pat kamen siem hadu jok kimet jongi kin kela sya upui kendau Bat kejing persat kejing im kan lej pai pat sya U Blei ubala ai yaka hangi.
So I chose about a week, not today, but about a week ago, I sold my soul. You understand what I'm saying? And ever since I sold my soul, I haven't been happy ever since. You know what I'm saying? Yo, man. Y'all ain't gotta believe me. It is what it is. I'm not even capping. It's because, listen, I had to do it. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, I had to do it because I was trying to make it, like, you feel me? Like, and as of when I was, selling my soul, like, there was things that I could sacrifice about and stuff like that, and I sacrificed myself. I could have sacrificed anybody, but when you sell your soul, you gotta sacrifice someone that you really love, and I sacrificed myself and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? And I did it. You get what I'm saying? I couldn't do it with nobody that I love. The demon asked me, are you sure you want to sacrifice? So you can sacrifice someone that you love? I said, nah. But when you sell your soul, you feel me? You gotta, it's not how people say it is. You really gotta, you really gotta pick. You understand what I'm saying? And you get anything you want. You get to be rich. You get to have fortune. You get to have everything you ever wanted. You feel me? But you could think I'm cap. I'm not tripping. I did it a week ago. I haven't been happy ever since. I've been having anxiety every single day. What did I wish for? To be famous and be rich. You ain't rich, not yet. So was it worth it? It hasn't been done yet. It takes time. Now I gotta be patient. I got offered twice. I've been offered twice. First time I didn't take it. And when you don't sell your soul, you gotta do it original. You gotta do it authentic. And I feel like it was too hard. So yeah, I just thought I'd tell y'all, man.